Hello everyone, welcome to my podcast episode. My name is Colum, your host. Do you want to increase the lifespan of your steam boiler? Reach out to O'Brien Energy Engineered, the best heat generating solution provider in Australia. They are the trusted provider of standard boiler service and maintenance for industrial and commercial needs. Install their specifically designed steam boiler to increase the efficiency and longevity of your steam boiler. O'Brien Energy Engineered provide a different range of stainless steel boilers according to your application. You can save money and enhance the performance of your boiler with their Economiser. For any inquiries, call them at 1300771759 today. Or, browse o'brienenergy.com.au to learn the features of their Economiser. Thank you all for joining. Stay tuned to listen to another exciting podcast topic.